heading into Small World. This one's definitely built for some rain.
Bienvenue à bord de It's a Small World. Pendant notre voyage, pour votre sécurité, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur du bateau. Ne fumez pas à bord et n'utilisez pas de flash. Merci.
Welcome to It's a Small World. Remain seated at all times and please, no smoking. Thank you. Bienvenidos al mundo pequeño. Quédense sentados durante el viaje y por favor no fumen. Gracias. l'arrêt complet du bateau et attendre.
So we just got off the Small World, which is right behind us, and we've ridden at every park we've been at.
Yeah.
This one's really good.
Yeah, this is a really good one.
It's very updated. I mean, as far as the Small World goes.
Even had a projection in there, which I was surprised about.
Yeah, and everything was like very bright and looked new and like newly repainted and all of those things.
Yeah.
So this is probably our second favorite one. The one in Tokyo is fantastic.
Yeah.
But this one is great.
Really
I
good,
mean, it's
yeah.
right
and
up
then I
there.
would say California's third, and then
Orlando, yeah.
Yeah, and it's funny, the one in Orlando is just so bad compared to the rest
Yeah,
of them.
it needs refurb real
Yeah,
bad.
it's so out of date.
At least from the last time we
Yeah.
were there. But yeah, this is, you know, it's funny when you go through like stages of life. When I was like in my 20s and 30s, I never cared about riding this. I was like, ew, you know. But like now that I'm older, it's kind of nostalgic, and I have a soft spot for it. So, you know, it was only 5 minutes. Like we walked right on.
Yeah, it was walk on.
So, you know, it's worth it to do if it's only 5-10 minutes or so, for sure.
Yep.